Hi everyone. Again we have discussed the chapter Rural Local Self Government. In this chapter, in the last video, we have discussed some of the points of the function of the Gram Panchayat. We know that very well. The function of the Gram Panchayat was divided into the two parts. Number one was the compulsory function, and the second one was the optional function. In main function, if we are talking here, that the lots type of the work has been done by the Gram Panchayat. And in the optional function, I was also described about it that the people who lived in the Gram or the villages, they followed, the member, the function which basically related to be the optional, they may be the follow or they not may be the follow. Okay. Now, today's our next point which we have discussed here, that is about to be the Nyay Panchayat. What is it? The Nyaya Panchayat. Okay. One by one we have described about to be the Nyay Panchayat. What is the function of the Nyay Panchayat? And which type of the sources come to run this type of the work? We have discussed one by one. Now come to be the point. First of all, we have discussed here about to be the Nyay Panchayat. You know that what is the Nyay Panchayat? Basically, if we talk here about to be the Nyay Panchayat, so Nyay Panchayat is just like a local court where the some types of the disputes can be the solved. Now, basically, if we have talking here about to be the Nyay Panchayat, so Nyay Panchayat is what you know that it's just like a judicial organ of the Panchayat. What is it? It's just like to be the judicial organ. Judicial organ of the Panchayat committed to be the administration of the justice. Understood? Or at the local rural level. Basically in the villages area, just the Nyay Panchayat is followed there. Now, it is also known as, Nyay Panchayat is also known as what? You know that it's a local courts. Local court. Now come to be the point. For the every 3 or the 4 villages, there is a setup of the Nyay Panchayat. For the Nyay Panchayat, we know that very well here, 3 or the 4 villages have been the setup. And the member of the Nyay Panchayat are the elected by the Gram Panchayat. In another way, if you can see here, the member who has been working in the Nyay Panchayat, basically they are the elected from the Gram Panchayat. Come to be the next point, that what is the function of the Nyay Panchayat. Okay. So if we talk here about to be the point, functions. Okay, functions of Nyay Panchayat. It can be also defined in the very categorized. First of all, the point number 1, the Nyay Panchayat can be the tries the civil and the petty civil and the criminal cases. Which type of the cases have been the solved here? Number 1, the cases which is related to with the petty civil and criminal types of the cases are also listed here or the solved here. Now, and it also tries to be the dispute, settle the disputes among to be the parties or the villagers. Suppose the two of the members or two of the villagers fight with each other. Now on that time, this type of the fighting will be disputed. This type of the fighting will be the settled by the member of the Nyaya Panchayat. If we have talking here about to be the second point, in the second point it is given that it imposes to be the small types of the fines on the people for the any wrongdoing. Suppose a person has been doing a wrong works. Okay, suppose a person has been doing a wrong works or the works. So on that time, it is the function of the Gram Panchayat or the Nyaya Panchayat that it can fine or the some of the types, some small types of the fine can be included on that the people. So their purpose to be the provide the justice quickly and inexperiences or the inexpensively. Now next point given about in the third point. Now, so basically in the second point what we have learned, in this point it's a Nyaya Panchayat imposes the small fines on the people in the next point. What is given that if any side is not satisfied with the justice, listen very carefully, if any side is not satisfied with the decisions of the Nyaya Panchayat, then that party can be the appeal to be the higher courts. If any parties will not satisfy with the decisions, then he or she can be appealed to be the higher court or the higher authority. Okay, so it is given, these all are the given of the functions of the Gram Panchayat, Nyaya Panchayat. Now next point given about to be the sources of income. So first of all we have discussed basically the sum of the points about to be the aim. What is the aim of the Nyaya Panchayat? Why the aim of why the Nyaya Panchayat has been the schedule of the relevant to be the our constitutions. Okay. Now we know that very well what are the functions of the Nyaya Panchayat. Now one of the point also is arising here, what is the aim of the Nyaya Panchayat? So first of all we know that very well here the Nyaya Panchayat is the judicial organ of the Panchayat committed to be the administration of the justice, so at the local rural level. We know here again some of the point that the justification behind the setting of the Nyaya Panchayat are, it is the democratic decentralization. What is the point here given? The Nyaya Panchayat are the setting up for the purposes for the democratic decentralizations and easy access to be the justice. We have got the easy access about to be the justice. Remember the points here, easy access to be the justice. Now the speedy disposal of the cases and the inexpensive the justice system in the Gram Panchayat, okay, or the village Panchayat or the Nyaya Panchayat. So these are basically the aim of the Nyaya Panchayat to be the setup in the local rural areas. In our country you know that lots of the people are the live, basically the 70% of the population are living in the villages. Suppose if in a one day some of the cases coming from the villages to continue to be the some of the cases coming to be the coming from the villages into the Nyaya Panchayats, then what's happening, you know that lots of the time will be taken to give the decisions or the results coming for this type of the problem, to solve this type of the problem. That's why it is the aim is to be the easy access to be the justice, speedy disposal of the cases, and the inexpensive justice system in the in the Nyay Panchayat. Next point which we have discussed here, that is about to be the sources of the income. What is it? Sources of the income. Sources of income. That means from where the income or the money comes to run this type of the system. Now, in order to be the functions to be the panchayat system, basically if we are talking here, these are need the funds. What is? These are need the funds. So this can be the obtain this type of the fund from the following ways. Point number 1. So in the point number 1, the amounts which are the transfer to be the panchayat from where? In the form of the grants by the state government. That means it's got the grants from the state government. From where? It is the grants that were given by the state government. Now, in second point, it also got some of the money from the charges fee. For what purpose? Listen and very carefully here. For the charges fee for the recording the sale of the land and the cattle. That means sale of the land and cattle. From there, they also charges for the recording the sale of the land and the cattle. Now, in the third point, it is given that it collects also some of the money from the admission fee from the people, basically who take the dispute to be the Nyay Panchayat. What is this? It collect the admission fee. That means it's also collect the admission fee for which people? So basically that people who take the dispute in the Nyay Panchayat. Admission fee taken from the people. Admission fee taken from the people, okay, to the take the dispute to be the Nyay Panchayat. Who dispute to the Nyay Panchayat. Okay. Now, next point given, a point to be the sources of income, that it collect the taxes on the horses, then go to be the fairs, and then also got from the shops. So it also collect the taxes. To collect taxes from houses, fair. From where it collect the taxes? From the houses, fairs, and shops. Okay. And the next sources of the income is coming from, it charges the people. Look that very carefully. Listen that very carefully here. It charges the people from the guilty of the misdeed. It charges people found guilty, people found It charges people from guilty of the misdeed. Okay, and the next point, it also collect the taxes. Listen carefully that it also collect the taxes on the goods that are the bought or the taken or of the villages. So these all are the function, these all are the sources of the income. How the Nyay Panchayat is run in basically that area. Next point which we have discussed here, that is about to be the importance of the Gram Panchayat. What is this? Importance of the Gram Panchayat. What are the importance of the Gram Panchayat? Now, we know that very well the role played by the Gram Panchayat is an essential one. Okay, so it also provides the benefits to us and the community to be the rural people. So it also assists to be the villagers in the dealing with which type of the works to the day to be the day problem. They also work with us to be the day problems. Now the panchayat perform which type of the works? The administrative types of the works, social, economic and the judicial functions also. Now in these functions ensure that the social justice for the people. Now they encourage them to be the learn to be the cooperate of the participate in the government administration. What is it? The basically this type of the functions also ensure to be the social justice for the people, and it also encourages us to them the learn to be the cooperate and the participate in the government administration. If the government has been the doing this type of the work, on that time we have fully supported to be them. So the panchayats try to be the make the village self the sufficient. It's a work of the panchayat that makes the village sufficient. It also train the young people for which purposes? It also train the young people to become the good responsible citizens, and the leaders to be that of the problem can be the solved in the logical and to be the in sensible manner. Okay, and so thus it the form to be the basis of the Panchayati Raj system, and that's why that's all are the importance of the Gram Panchayat. If we have made work together, if we have doing the work together with the panchayat, then you know that how the our society, how the our villages has been the progressing. So that main points here given about to be the importance of the Gram Panchayat. In the next video we will discuss again the next point which has been given in your books. Okay.